विनायक दामोदर सावरकर,
भारत की वीर गाथा, लेजेंड ऑफ इंडियन हिस्ट्री।
Born on 28 May 1883 in Bhagur, Maharashtra, Vinayak Damodar Savarkar showed signs of extraordinary courage and intellect from a young age. Deeply inspired by the valor of historical heroes like Shivaji Maharaj and the 1857 revolutionaries, young Savarkar formed the Mitra Mela, a secret organization devoted to freeing India from British rule. As he grew older, Savarkar became a leading voice of revolutionary nationalism. While studying law in London, he founded Abhinav Bharat, an organization that inspired countless Indians to take up arms against colonial rule. His famous book The Indian War of Independence 1857 redefined the narrative of the revolt as the first organized war for freedom, shaking the very foundation of British propaganda. But the British soon caught the scent of rebellion. Savarkar was arrested for revolutionary activities and sentenced to 2 life imprisonments, 50 years, in the cellular jail of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. There, he endured unimaginable torture, solitary confinement, and endless chains. Yet, his spirit never broke. He wrote poetry on prison walls with nails and memorized them to preserve the words of freedom. Despite brutal conditions, Savarkar emerged from Kala Pani not defeated but determined. His writings shaped the ideology of nationalism and self-reliance for decades to come. He emphasized unity among Hindus and inspired a new wave of self-respect and pride in Indian civilization. His political philosophy, though controversial, was rooted in a fierce love for Bharat. Savarkar passed away on 26 February 1966 after voluntarily giving up food and water, a practice he termed Atmarpan. His death was not of despair but of resolve, as he believed his work for the nation was complete. Even today, Savarkar stands as a symbol of unyielding courage, intellectual strength, and revolutionary zeal. His story reminds India that freedom was earned through not just blood, but fire and conviction. He was the man the British feared so much, they chained him in a cell called the Kala Pani. A poet, a revolutionary, and the fire that refused to die, this is the story of Veer Savarkar. Veer Savarkar, the man who wrote poetry in chains and ignited the flames of freedom with his words. Jai Hind. Stay tuned for more such legends of Bharat ki Veer Gatha.
Please like, comment and subscribe. Bharat ki Veer Gatha, legend of Indian history.
Vinayak Damodar Savarkar.